Space enthusiasts, a trip to the moons in our solar system. Since the beginning of humans, we've looked up at the night sky and wondered about it. Among the shining stars, there's another type of space object, moons. Come with me as we explore these mysterious worlds, from the hot surface of Mercury to the icy places around Neptune. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Mercury, a super hot planet. Our trip starts in the middle of our solar system with Mercury, a planet that's super close to the Sun. This small rocky planet, just a bit bigger than our own moon, is a place of extremes. It can get over 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and hundreds of degrees below freezing at night. Mercury, though, is all alone, without any moons. Venus, hiding in mystery. Our next stop is Venus, the planet closest to us. Covered in a thick, poisonous atmosphere, Venus is a planet that's really hot and has high pressure. Venus, like Mercury, also doesn't have any moons, which is a mystery in our solar system. Earth, our blue planet, a tiny speck in the vastness of space. Now we come to our home, Earth, a lively place in space, teeming with diverse forms of life and vibrant ecosystems. Our planet, a mix of blue and white, is special in our solar system because it has lots of life, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. And going around our planet is one moon, a constant companion in the night sky. The moon has fascinated people forever, lighting up the night and inspiring lots of stories, myths, and legends across cultures. It helps keep our planet steady, creating the seasons we have and influencing the tides that shape our coastlines. Chapter 4. Mars, the Red Planet and its Friends. We're going to Mars now, the red planet, a cold and empty world that people have always been curious about. Going around Mars are two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which scientists think are asteroids that got caught in Mars' gravity. These small, potato-shaped worlds are leftovers from when the solar system was young. Chapter 5. Jupiter, the Moon King. Our next stop is Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, a giant ball of gas. Jupiter has a whopping 79 moons, like a tiny solar system of its own. Some of these moons are super interesting, like the volcanic moon Io, the icy moon Europa, and the giant moon Ganymede. Chapter 6. Saturn, the sparkly gem of our solar system. Now we're at Saturn, the sparkly gem of our solar system, famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made up of ice and rock particles, creating a stunning visual spectacle that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. This gas giant also has lots of moons, 83 in total, each one special. These moons vary in size and composition, adding to the complexity and beauty of Saturn's celestial dance. One of them is Titan, the second biggest moon in our solar system. Titan is unique because it has a dense atmosphere unlike any other moon. Titan is covered in a thick atmosphere where it rains methane and there are rivers of liquid hydrocarbons. This makes Titan one of the most intriguing objects in our solar system, a world that could hold secrets about the early Earth. Chapter 7. Uranus, the tilted planet and its icy crew. We're going to Uranus now, the ice giant, a planet tilted on its side, spinning in a weird way. Around this icy giant are 27 moons, many named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. One of them is Titania, the biggest of Uranus's moons, a world of old craters and huge canyons. Chapter 8. Neptune, protector of the outer space. Our last stop is Neptune, the farthest planet in our solar system. Neptune has 14 moons, including Triton, a world of nitrogen geysers and ice volcanoes. Triton is special because it goes around Neptune in the opposite direction that Neptune spins. Outer universe of amazing things. Our trip through the solar system has shown us lots of different moons, each one a unique world. From the volcanic activity on Io to the icy crust of Europa, these moons are as diverse as the planets they orbit. From the hot surface of Mercury to the icy places around Neptune, we've seen how amazing our part of space is. Each planet and moon has its own story, its own unique characteristics that make it special. But our trip doesn't end here. The universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Every journey into space brings new surprises and new knowledge. Space, with its huge size and endless amazing things, keeps calling us to explore, discover, and be amazed by the beauty and mystery of the universe we live in. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to uncover.